Are you worried about the impact of defaulting on your student loan? It's a valid concern, and understanding the consequences is crucial for protecting your credit health. Let's break it down. When your student loan goes into default, it can have serious repercussions for your credit score. Your lender may report the delinquency to credit bureaus, resulting in a significant drop in your credit score. This can make it harder to qualify for loans, credit cards, or even rent an apartment in the future. But that's not all. Defaulting on your student loan can also lead to wage garnishment, tax refund offsets, and even legal action by your lender. It's a stressful situation that can have long-lasting financial implications. However, there is hope. If you're struggling to make payments, don't wait until it's too late. Reach out to your lender to explore options like income-driven repayment plans, deferment, or forbearance. Taking proactive steps to address your student loan debt can help mitigate the damage to your credit and get you back on track towards financial stability. Ready to take control of your student loan debt? Reach out to us today for expert guidance and support. Your credit health matters. Let's work together to protect it.